This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. You're looking at the free version of Google Slides that comes with a free Gmail account. And since the last edition of my book, Google has really improved templates. They're not as slick as PowerPoint, but they're pretty good for most uses, and let's take a look. So this is the template gallery in Google Slides when you come to the Google Slides main page. You can see that the work presentations, they're actually looking really good. Like, they look kind of professional. And before, they definitely didn't. So Google has made some good improvements for those. But also, if you go down here, you can see even the personal presentations. They're looking better. Some of them incorporate photos. Some of them just look, I don't know, more professional. And I'm pretty happy about that. And I think also a lot of users will be happy about that. For instance, here's education slides. These are looking pretty good. I know that a lot of users out there have Google for Education, or Google Applications for Education, or Google Workspace for Education. That's what they call it. So if you want to use one of the templates, you can just click on it from the template gallery. So I can just click on this one, and it will start a new presentation. It gives some default slides that I can use there. Another thing you can do is you can open an existing presentation. So let's open up this one right here. And let's say that I wanted to add a new template to this particular presentation. I can do that, but one thing you should know, when you add a new template to the presentation, it doesn't replace the existing template. It just gets appended to the current template. So you can see I've put my cursor right there after the third slide. If I want to insert a new template, I could just go over to the right side of the page here, and you can see there's a button that says Templates. I press that, and then I could say, all right, well, let's put in the business plan presentation, and then press the button that says Insert All Slides. And you can see what it did is it basically added those 9 or 10 slides right to the middle of the existing presentation. It didn't change any of the other slides that I already had there, which is kind of a disadvantage. What I could do is I could change the theme of the existing slides. For instance, I could go to Slide, Edit, or Change Theme, and then I could choose one that kind of matches that. So I could choose this streamlined theme. Note that that will also affect the other presentation, the other template that I already had that I just added. You can see that it is basically gone. It's been reversed. It used to be black on kind of white text on black, and now it's black text on white. So there's some considerations there. I recommend, if you do want to use one of the new templates that Google is making available in Google Slides, you start from a fresh presentation in the template gallery. Hopefully one of these will work for you. If not, you can actually open it up and then you can make some customizations to it. But I think that these templates are looking pretty good, and I do recommend giving them a shot. 5 years ago I couldn't say that, but now they're looking okay, even for business presentations.